coil, electrical outlet, 15 amps, electrical meter, electrical tester, oscillating tool. Okay, this is electrical wire. It's a 14-2, which means it has a hot wire, a neutral wire, and a ground wire. This is a measuring tape.
Great.
This tool, I don't know the name of it, but it's good for installing wire nuts. This is a needle nose. These are wire cutters or wire dikes.
Oh.
Wire strippers. This is electrical tester. This is a pencil. This is a stud finder, a level, and 2 standard screwdrivers. This is actually called a fish stick.
A fish stick. Glow in the dark.
It's glow in the dark.
The tool we're using is a non-contact AC voltage detector. And the brand we're using is probably from Southwire.
We have electricity.
There's power!
Please.
Okay. So we're turning off all the breakers.
Actually, probably just do. We probably just
The break. Okay. No power!
Yeah, it's 0.0. It's 16 inches to the top of the breast, so we need it above 16 inches. 16 inches above the bottom of the TV. Right?
Okay.
So
Find our studs. Marking our studs. Making sure it's level. Outline it.
but before you get it in, just exercise this thing, because for some reason it's much harder the first time in the wall. Now it'll just I don't know why, but it just saves a ton of extra effort. I also really like the unbreakables. The other ones will snap. If you get paint on these, you know, I'm sure you guys know to cut the paint.
What?
Cut the paint where
So
want
you
it to
don't
break.
peel off all the
So you
paint
don't peel.
on the
I've
wall?
done that, yeah. Let's just double check.
Well, you're going diagonal, so maybe you're hitting the stud.
That doesn't sound like stud.
What does it sound like? Does it sound like plumbing?
What would be-
Taking the box off.
I'm gonna cut your paint again because
Otherwise it peels it.
peels. Why does paint always stick to the wrong thing?
I know, right?
If you go too far, those leaves will fall off. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
Remember
Yeah.
these?
Oh, right.
So right now it's doing this. It's unfolding. So we should be able to pop that out. If you drop the leaf, it's gonna go down to the bottom.
And we don't
It'll
want
always
that.
go. And it'll always go out of your reach. That's a fact.
Sound like you speak Lutheran.
I've done that. Yeah.
So did you keep your leaves on? Bottom one is. The top
Top is
leaf.
on. Yep.
Nice.
Yeah. All right, that should be easier.
Yeah.
As long as the else is in the way. Oh, I feel insulation.
Maybe that's what you were bumping into.
No, it was solid.
It's fine. Everything's fine. More cords.
Yeah.
Huh?
You gotta follow that cord.
You know what? That'll be the next thing we try.
Oh, do you mean to like lead the cord down? We did it! Woo!
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Should be up.
Not yet.
There it is. All right.
So we are putting electrical tape to the bottom of the fish stick. Sorry,
stick.
that's called the fish stick.
If it was the other kind, which reels up, that's called a fish tape.
Oh.
So I guess that's why it's called a fish stick.
Cutting the wires because we don't need that apparently. Cutting off the plastic cover because we don't need it.
Oh. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you.
All right, so here is all your wires. White means neutral, and it's always the long side. Just gonna double say what you say, okay? Okay, so he stripped the plastic off of that white one, and he's sticking it into the neutral side. And hot on this one is copper, or no, black. It's black. So you want to make sure it's not exposed because fires.
And this is an unusual wire nut. So this just presses in.
Oh, and then you could put a third one in there, or?
So this one will still go in. That can fit.
Nice. So it's called a wire nut or net.
Wire nut is what the usual name is.
So again, we're taking the plastic off, and then we'll take the paper off.
So this, I'm gonna cut this. This is gonna go from one plug to the next. I'm gonna put 2 plugs in here.
Okay.
So,
I don't think I ever figured this out.
Oh, see that, guys? You pushed the wire through the plastic.
now I can grab it with.
A tweezer nose wires. Check it out. Oh, he's cutting the hot one on either side.
So we're gonna put the white on the white again.
So this is the ground one, right?
Yeah,
This is
that's the ground.
You curved it and you put it on
Green.
the green.
And I like to, and I did do this on the other one. We're not gonna use these, so I'm gonna get them out of the
Okay.
way, right?
Okay.
So I'm gonna put the white one
Okay.
here, black one here. Alright,
Okay, so again with the ground wire, he curved it again, and he's putting it on the green screw.
also known as a ground lug.
Ground lug, like with an L, lug.
Yeah, lug.
Like you're lugging stuff
What a
around.
lug.
Okay.
So we'll set these off the same. And there's where I do need to get a ground. takes a little more, what do you call it?
Oh, so you, oh, you had the nut in there.
Yeah.
And then you twist it on.
And it's way easier on your fingers than trying to twirl that nut, and you get it on way tighter. Because of that.
Yeah, well, sure. There's more to grab onto.
Yep, so that's
That is the ground wire.
right. So now we can take these and plug it into either one of these, but in the same side.
On the same side, okay.
All right.
Okay. Test the electricity. It's got power.